Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're gonna continue on our Clickbank case study, okay? On using my lead gen secrets. Now, let's get to it. Alright. As you can see, did get a sale yesterday. Let's refresh the page so I can show you guys I did get a sale yesterday. Absolutely did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Alright, so which is very good. So we're gonna continue on what we've been doing lately, It's been working, so why not? So we're gonna come over here. We're gonna go to e-business, e-marketing. Now the one that's been working for me is social paid here. I can see this has been getting more gravity and more gravity as time goes on. This one as well gets a lot of gravity. These three in general are pretty solid. If you want to try this, make some decent money. This one we're gonna try another one soon, but we're gonna focus on the one we've been making money with. So we're gonna keep on doing that one. So we're gonna go to the affiliate page here. What we need is I know you all know we need an email, right? We need an email swipe for my lead gen secrets. Let's see. Let's go with, you know what? Let's do short ads. Let's get another short ad here. Because they seem to be working. Hold up. Let's do this one. 750 a week for posting food reviews on YouTube. Let's give that one a shot. Alright, so let me log into my lead gen secrets account here. Now guys, once you get to this page, the page is gonna look different when you click on my link down at the bottom, but you click on my affiliate page. It's very simple to sign up to my lead gen secrets. It's $30 every month, so which is very much worth what you get in sales. You make that money back as soon as you start collecting leads, especially if you got the right offer. You got the right offer, you easily make that money back. So my lead gen secrets 100% worth it for making money ideas. Anyway, let's keep it going here. Let me log back in here. So this is what you want to go to. You want to go to the mailing system. They're gonna try to sell you on email swipes. You don't need those because we got them. Every offer worth its salt provides email swipes for you to use. So we in here, right? All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Now, what was the title here? 750 per week, posting food reviews. But you're gonna pick that in. Pick exactly what they say, cause that's pretty solid. That's interesting. Do you know this? Do you like watching delicious food reviews on YouTube? Everyone loves it. Somewhere deep inside our DNA. Oh. You look at. Do you like watching? Everyone loves it. Somewhat deep inside. Some people enjoy it. Let's take out this. I need it. Alright, so basically I'm just typing in click here to apply. sincerely. Social page. Boom. And you pretty much done. You know, just add a little bit here, and now it's an email. You know, use. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's go. Very short emails tend to work better, I'm noticing. So find something short, trim it down, make it little. You know, people lose interest quick. So the longer the email, the higher of a chance they lose interest. They don't need all of those words to get to what, you know, to get to your point. You know what I mean? But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and click promote here. Don't get our link. We're gonna get our link here. Break the hot link. Boom. All right. Here. Post. Boom. Just that simple, right? Looks pretty good. All right. So we're gonna look at the preview here to make sure the link works. Link works. Okay. All right. So. Just that simple. Break something real short like this. Send it. You know, make sure you have perfect timing as well. Because what perfect timing does, it sends the email around the time people usually like to check their emails. So it's simple as that. And we are done, guys. That email has been sent. Now we have multiple accounts, so we're gonna continue with that. But if you only got one account, you're done for the day. That's it. So what we're gonna do here is, if you got multiple accounts, you go to account here, and when you sign up for multiple accounts, you don't have to use my affiliate link again. Sign up under yourself so you can get paid for what you paid yourself. So ultimately it's a lot cheaper. You know what I mean? Each account gets cheaper and cheaper because that's more and more money coming back to you. So if you open multiple accounts, just think about that for a second. Like you're paying yourself, so it don't cost $30 a month anymore. It costs $25 a month, $22 a month, $20 a month, so on and so forth. It gets lower and lower. All right, so let's continue here. Gonna log out of wait. Yeah, we're gonna create a new tab. I'm sorry, I lost track. I got lost track there for a second there, but I'm back on track now. We're gonna log out of this account like this, and then we're gonna go to our next account real quick. And we're gonna go to mailing system. Boom. We're gonna pretty much just copy. A lot of people are using the emails in social page, because that's one of the things that people have found that works really well with My Lead Gen Secrets. So people have been spamming that. I'm assuming they're kind of getting sick of just seeing My Lead Gen Secrets emails. So that's why I'm sending these shorts, because I doubt people are sending these short emails to them. And they might be catching interest again. You know what I mean? So anyway, it helped. So we're gonna just go ahead and click this. Go and hit here. Gonna send an email. I'm just constantly monologuing, guys. If you can't tell, that's what I do. I just monologue. I say what I think the whole time. That's a good way to kind of start your YouTube channel, in particular about finances. Just say what you're thinking. Just completely say what you're thinking. That's a good way to start. It's very easy to do. Well, for me, it wasn't quite that easy. I'm more of an introvert than anything, so it's very hard to kind of focus on, talking out loud or whatever. But I got a lot better since I started making YouTube videos about saying, whatever I feel, right? So we're gonna go to our third account here, saying how I'm thinking in my mind or whatever. I'm sorry I'm getting off traffic here, but it's very simple to do. It's at this point, it's just copy paste. It's just copy paste, bite to bite. Just copy paste here, back to back. It's the simplest thing in the world. Anybody can do it. You know, your kids can do it. The only thing that's gonna stop you from making money online is fear. Fear that you'll lose the money that you're spending. That's what got me. That's why for the first few months trying to be an affiliate marketer, I had such a hard time trying to make money. It's because I was so worried about spending money. And ultimately, if you want to make money online, you gotta spend money at some point. I mean, you can do it free, but it's gonna take forever. It's gonna take a long time, and it might not even work. You might stay stagnant for a very long time. But if you use the money to make money online, dude, you can become rich tomorrow. You could change your life tomorrow. Just think about that. And don't think about the money you're spending as you losing money. Think about it as an investment. You spent this money, and let's see if you can make it back. You know what I mean? And more. So make sure to do that. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I have to say. You know, and by the way, if you do open a My Lead Gen Secrets account under my affiliate, make sure to start a YouTube channel like I'm doing now and really get the benefits, and make sure to promote My Lead Gen Secrets so you can make more money in that way as well. So that's how you can collectively collect more income, ways of making income. That's a good way to do it. That's why I'm promoting My Lead Gen Secrets with you guys now, because I'll make more income if y'all sign in on me, and I'm showing you guys how to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets, so y'all will make income as well, and do the same thing that I'm doing, and loop it. You know what I mean? So that's the idea. So anyway, man, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.